Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you have been staying tuned with our Sunday technical analysis videos, as well as my live streams both yesterday and today, you probably know that I have been watching this bull flag breakout on the hourly chart on AMC. AMC held a crucial $44 level support, and it has been breaking out of this flag. Yesterday was great price action. Today was great price action again. And in today's video, I want to show you the trades that I took on AMC. Some really nice profits, but more important than the profits that I was able to make is the technical setups that I want to show you today. The 9 EMA holds, the bull flags, the break and retests that were all over the place this morning set up some really obvious trading opportunities. And in today's video, I want to show you them. Hopefully you can learn from it and implement it into your own trading. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Press that like button, subscribe to the channel for some more videos. Make sure to remember that I live stream every day from 8 to 8:45 a.m. and make sure to press that bell notification so that you're alerted every single time that I post and every single time that I go live. So guys, here is AMC on the hourly chart. I first want to show you that bull flag that I'm talking about and that 44 level hold. So here's the bull flag that I've been watching. If you ignore this $60 level, which is still very important, I'll show you why. So this big flag pattern that formed here on the hourly, we got that breakout right here on Friday. And after I saw that on Friday, I knew Monday and Tuesday may see some action due to that breakout. Also, you can see the rock solid support here at 44, which made me believe that we could bounce off of that level, and we are definitely getting that right now. So that is the long-term view that I was watching. I talked about it Sunday in my video, and I talked about it in both my live streams Monday and Tuesday. So if we break this down to the 1 minute, we can go ahead and look at how AMC is doing right now. It's currently trading. We are live trading right now, and we're stuck below that 60. So 60 is crucial on AMC, and we are having a lot of trouble at that level. But my trades were here in the morning. So let's go ahead, zoom into the morning here, look at the 1 minute chart, and go over the trades that I was able to take. So if we zoom in, we'll look at that right there, and let me go ahead and pull up my trades right now. So here are my trades on AMC. The first one was at 9:57. I bought two AMC $60 calls for $7.40. Now, 9:57 was right here on this big green candle. So why did I get into that? First reason was I was looking at the consolidation that we were having in the morning. I liked it. I really liked the 58 consolidation. Once we had that move higher and we retested that move right here around 9:56, we had a very nice green candle sort of breaking out of this consolidation zone. So I wanted to get into that small, two contracts, to see if we could push right through 60. That was my goal with this trade. See if we could get that push right through 60, get that strong move, get those quick profits. So I got in there. Unfortunately, it didn't break right away, so I did hold it. Now, why did I hold this trade? Why didn't I just dip out on it because it didn't break 60? It's because we were holding the 9 EMA beautifully. So right here, the blue line is the 9 EMA. We started to diverge away from that green line, away from the VWAP. We started to get that 9 EMA sort of moving higher and acting as support. Right here, you guys can see that. So we consolidated sideways, a little bit of a flag pattern here. You can see right here, a little bit of a flag pattern right there at the 9 EMA. And when I see price action flag down into the 9 EMA, that is beautiful. Not only that, we had a perfect break and retest. I mean, this is a trifecta right here. This is the trifecta trade. A breakout, a retest of resistance, 9 EMA hold, and a bull flag. There is nothing better with price action trading than those three things right there. So I had to hold this, and I had to see if we could get this move. You know, it happened to work out. So we got this big push over 60. I was in this trade, and I ended up taking some profits here at 10:05, which is right here at near the top of this candle. Actually, it was near the end of 10:55. So on this quick pullback, I was getting out. I think on the live trading, I said a break under 61, I would be taking my profits. And once I saw that break under 61, I went ahead and took it. About $1 a contract, so that's about a $200 scalp right there in about 6 to 7 minutes. So a nice little trade right there on AMC. The next trade was 3 contracts, $62 calls at 10:13. So 10:13 is right here on this big green candle. Got in at 10:13, 23 seconds. So a little bit into this green candle right here. Now, why did I take this trade? Pretty much the exact same setup. Bull flag, break, and retest of this previous resistance. Look at this perfect trade. So you have $60 support or $60 resistance, which is turning into support. Why will this not delete? This line will not delete, so I'm just going to move it to the right there. So that line just going to sit there for this video. So we had this move higher, right? Move higher. I took my profits on this first trade. We pulled back. Where did we pull back to? We pulled back to this $60 resistance. This $60 resistance then went ahead and turned into support. This is a break and retest. Break and retest, went ahead and reclaimed the 9 EMA right here on this candle. Bull flag, and we broke out of that bull flag. I was a buyer right there at 10.13 with 3 contracts. We got a dollar contract move right there. 3 minutes later at 10.16, which is this candle right here, I was taking my profits, about a dollar a contract, so that's a $300 win right there. So far, 2 trades, $500. All I was looking for were break and retests, bull flags, and 9 EMA holds. A perfect little setup there on AMC this morning. Now, next trade right here at 10.16. So 10.16.46, that was right here. You guys can see I got in for that move, looking for another little bull flag breakout right here. We had a very small flag right here at 10.16. I got in at $8.85 and sold very quickly later at 10.18, which was right, let me see, get this out of here. 10.18 was right here. I tried to get that high day break, didn't work out. I got about 15 cents a contract, so a small little win there, about $45. Once I saw it start to lose some momentum, I just ditched on that trade. Now the next one, another great trade here. Next one, 10.20. What did I wait for? I waited for a pullback to the 9 EMA right here. 10.20, pullback to the 9, little bull flag, a little bit of a flag, not too defined on this one, but a nice little pullback. 9 EMA hold, held this nice support right here. So you guys can see, nice little support right there. Held that, pushed off the 9, got in at 10.20, which was right here on this candle. Got out 4 minutes later, which was right here at 10.24 for about a dollar contract, so another $300. So all in all, guys, about an $800 winner here on AMC between 4 trades. All that I looked for were bull flags, pullbacks to the 9 EMA, and instead of getting in on these big moves, I was patient. I waited for those pullbacks, and I got in for the breakouts of the bull flags. So hopefully you guys can see how I traded AMC today. Really nice 9 EMA holds, really nice bull flags there. Hopefully it makes sense. If you have any questions on these trades, feel free to post down below in the comments. And if you want, if you're in the Discord chat, feel free to message me there as well. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at the Options Insider and ask me questions there as well. So guys, there are my trades today on AMC. When that 9 EMA starts really moving, when volume starts pumping in, when that momentum is in these stocks, those 9 EMA holds are beautiful. Those bull flag breakouts are extremely strong. And really, the precursor for this strategy is just momentum in the name. If a stock is trading sideways, if the Nasdaq's getting killed and you're trying to trade Tesla or Nvidia or PayPal, that 9 EMA is not going to be as useful. Look for names with momentum, with volume, with a nice uptrend. Then those 9 EMAs become useful. And in today's video, you guys can see how it held up beautifully on AMC. So congratulations to anyone that's using this strategy and was able to profit off of it. As I said earlier, if you have any questions on this strategy, on these trades that I made, feel free to message me on Discord, on Instagram. You can even comment down below and I will get back to you. If you enjoyed today's video, press that like button, subscribe to the channel for some future videos. If you want to stay tuned for some live streams, I live stream every day from 8 to 8:45 a.m. Come hang out, come prepare your day. Join the Discord chat. First link down in the description below. I'd love to see you there. You can join 1,300 other traders trading on a daily basis, and you can listen in live every single day where I trade live and I call out these trades that I made today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you have a successful rest of the trading week, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.